Are you also having a gardening business? Then this video is definitely for you, because today I'm going to show you how to create a WhatsApp chatbot for seasonal planting tips to help garden thrive. So here I'm managing a gardening business and I'm receiving multiple WhatsApp inquiries from my clients and customers on regular basis related to gardening tips and much more. Handling each of the inquiry manually is a time-consuming task, so I have decided to automate it with the help of Pabbly Chatflow, that is an amazing WhatsApp automation tool. So here I'm going to create an amazing WhatsApp chatbot without any coding and programming skills for my business that is going to handle all the WhatsApp messages that I am receiving 24/7 and also going to automate the responses effortlessly for me. So now every time I'm going to receive a new WhatsApp message from a customer, automatically a reply is going to send to that same customer with the help of my bot. Now for your business, if you also want to learn the process of creating this amazing WhatsApp chatbot step by step, for that you have to come towards my screen. Welcome to my screen everyone. In this video we are going to learn step by step how to create a WhatsApp chatbot for seasonal planting tips. So I'm having a gardening business. I'm also selling seasonal seeds for fruits and flowers. And here on regular basis I'm receiving multiple WhatsApp messages and inquiries from my customers related to the planting tips, catalogs, prices, orders for the seeds, etc. Handling each of the message and inquiry manually is a time-consuming task. So I have decided to automate it with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. So I have built an amazing WhatsApp chatbot with the help of Pabbly Chatflow, that too without any coding and programming skills, which is going to handle all the messages that I'm receiving for my business 24/7 and also going to automate the responses. So before moving forward and learning how to create this amazing WhatsApp chatbot for our business step by step, I'm going to first of all show you that how this bot which we are going to create is going to perform. So I will take you towards WhatsApp, and this is the WhatsApp number of my gardening business, Green Root Seeds. I'm going to send a random message as a customer on this number. Hello, please share some gardening tips. As I'm sending this message, you can see instantly I got a reply. Hi there, welcome to Green Roots Gardening. Get expert seasonal planting tips to help your garden bloom in every season. May I know your name first before we go ahead? It is asking me my name. So let's say I'm going to provide a name over here as new user, just a random name. As I've sent this name, again I got a reply, this time automatically along with my name. Awesome new user. Select a season to explore tips. We have three options over here. Let's say I'm going to select summer. As I've selected summer season, it is providing me the details. Some summer planting guide. Here we have the plant, basil, corn, zinnias, and we got the tip as well. If I want to download the summer guide PDF, I can also download this as well. And here it is asking me what would you like to do next. We have two options, view seed catalog or other season which we want to select. So I'm going to click on view seed catalog. As I've done that, you can see that I got a catalog over here in image format. It is a creative image. Want to place order for any seed? If I'm going to check the catalog, if I want to place order, I'm going to click on this button. And here I got the link where I can place the order. So in this way, the bot is actually going to work. It will respond automatically according to the messages of the customers. And you do not have to do anything. Once you have set up this WhatsApp chatbot, just sit and relax while all your work is going to be done. So now let's start learning the process of creating this amazing WhatsApp chatbot for our business step by step. To start with the process, first of all, we need to type pabbly.com/chatflow in our browser, which is going to take us towards the landing page of Pabbly Chatflow. Over here, we can find two options, sign in and sign up for free. So in case if you are already an existing user like me, just click on sign in to log into your account directly. If you are a new user, you have to click on the sign up for free button, which will help you to create a free new account just in 2 minutes. Also, when you will do that, you are going to receive 100 free tasks every month to explore this amazing software and to test multiple WhatsApp chatbots as well. Now, as an existing user, currently I'm going to click on sign in option. This is all apps section where we can find all the products that are offered by Pabbly. To create our WhatsApp chatbot, we are going to use Pabbly Chatflow. So let's click on access now. Now it has taken us towards the dashboard of Pabbly Chatflow. Over here, we can find the credits that are allotted to us for the account, the credits that we have consumed, the credits that are remaining with us, and the WhatsApp number that we have added in our Pabbly Chatflow account. To learn how to add your WhatsApp number with Pabbly Chatflow, we have two methods over here, WhatsApp Connect method and manual token connect. You can follow any of the method, and I have already created separate video tutorials for each of these videos that are uploaded on our YouTube channel. So you can just go and watch the videos from there. Also, I'm going to attach the link of both the methods in the description of my video, so you can directly watch from there as well. If you want to add more than one WhatsApp number, for that you can also create separate folders on the dashboard by clicking on this plus sign, and you can save the number separately and in organized format. Apart from creating WhatsApp chatbots and flows, we have some other amazing features inside Pabbly Chatflow that are given over here in the left side. We have created separate tutorials for each of these features. If you want to learn about any of them, you can just go and watch it from our YouTube channel. So we have inbox over here, we have contact section, team queues, templates, broadcast, flows, AI assistant, settings, and get help. Now let's start creating a WhatsApp chatbot. Over here, we can go towards flow section. For that, we have flows over here. So here we are on the flow section. You can see these are all the flows I have created for different purposes. We have active flows over here and also the inactive flows. Now to start with the flow, let's click on this add flow button. A blank flow is going to be created for us. You have to keep in mind that the bot which we are going to create for our business is going to be totally based on the flow that we are preparing over here. Flow is going to decide the chronological order of the messages that are to be sent to the customers on the basis of their WhatsApp responses. Okay, so first of all, I'm going to give a name to my flow. Let's say as WhatsApp chatbot for seasonal planting tips. After giving the name to my flow, now I have to decide that how I want my flow to start. I have shown you in the beginning of the video when I was receiving certain messages on WhatsApp, then my flow was starting. So over here, you can decide certain specific keywords according to your business that you want. Whenever you're going to receive any specific keywords, any of them, then you only want to start the flow and not for any of the message, okay? But here you can also go for entering the regex. Regex is actually regular expressions, which helps us to automatically identify the messages that we are receiving from our customers on WhatsApp and start our flow. Here I'm going to use a specific regex which will help me that as soon as I'm going to receive any kind of message, whether it is a specific word, symbol, text or paragraph, my flow is going to be started automatically. So the regex which I'm going to use is this. You can also use the same regex if you want. Now, as I have started the flow where I'm going to receive any message from my customers, first of all, I want to ask their name to make my communication more personalized. To ask any question from the customers, we'll go towards actions, and here we have multiple elements. As you can see, I want to ask a simple question, so I'm going to drag ask question step like this, and I'm going to connect it with my flow start. Okay, so now I'm going to ask their name, and the question is going to be, so this is the message. Hi there, welcome to Green Roots Gardening. Green Roots is the name of my gardening business. Get expert seasonal planting tips to help your garden bloom in every season. I have made some of the words bold by adding stars, as you can see. May I know your name first before we go ahead? Okay, now I want to collect the name, and that I'm going to do with the help of contact custom field. So I'm going to select full name from contact custom field. As we select any detail from contact custom field, when we are going to receive the responses from our customers along with that detail is going to be automatically added in contact section of Pabbly Chatflow account. So when I'm going to receive the name of my customer in the reply, that name is going to be automatically added inside Pabbly Chatflow in contact section. And further in my communications, I will be able to automatically use that name to the same customers while I'm sending the messages. Okay. Now the format of this name is going to be text. If you want to send number of reattempt chances, you can also provide the number over here and also the validation message. Now here, as I'm going to receive the name of my customer, further I want to send them the options that what they want to explore. So in that case, I'm going to send them text plus button message so that I can use some buttons to send them the options. So the message is going to be awesome, and here I'm going to use the name of my customer, and to make it dynamic so that it could get replaced automatically with every new response, I'm going to use a $sign over here. Okay, and now I'm going to add as it is contact custom field name, and here I'm going to make it bold, and now the message I'm going to type is select the season to explore tips, and I'm going to provide 3 button options over here to select the season. Okay, how you can add contact custom field, that also I'm going to show you. Okay, so from the left side here we have the option of settings. Here we have contact custom field section. When you're going to open this section, you will find multiple details. You can add those details over here and just use them whenever you require any data. Okay, so the first option in the button is going to be spring season. The second is going to be summer, and then autumn. Okay, I have added 3 buttons over here as the options of seasons, and for each of the 3 buttons I'm going to send separate message. So first of all, here I'm going to send the message for the spring season. That is going to be again text plus button message. Spring planting guide. So I'm providing the tips for the spring season. Recommended plants that to be planted are tomatoes, marigolds, spinach. I have provided the tip as well, and also here I am providing the downloadable link of a PDF of the tips regarding the tips of spring season. Then I've asked what would you like to do next, and I'm going to provide options. First is going to be view catalog if they want to view the seed catalog, and the second is going to be to choose other season. Okay, if they want to view the catalog, so here then I'm going to send them a media message. Let's select that. While selecting media message, you can select any of the media type: image, video, audio, document. Currently, I'm going to send image, and you can directly paste the URL over here of that image. Also, you can upload the image directly from the computer. I'm going to directly upload the image from my computer. Here it is, seat catalog. And here I've uploaded the image. I'm going to add the caption. Want to place order for any seat, and I'm going to apply the button over here. That is going to be place order. If they are going to click on this button, so I'm going to send them the order link, that how they can place the order. Great. Again, I'm going to use the name of the customer. Place your order here, and I'm going to apply, and I'm going to paste the order link of my store. So here the first part is completed. I'm going to quickly save my flow. As the flow is updated, now let's move forward towards the other season. If they want to go towards other season, so I'm going to quickly connect this button with the message where I'm providing them the seasons option. And now here we are going to move forward towards the next season, that is summer season. If they're going to select summer season, I'm going to send them the tip regarding the summer season in text plus button message. The message is going to be summer planting guides. So these are the plants that could be planted in summer. Tip I have provided and the downloadable link of the PDF. Now here I have asked what would you like to do next, and I'm going to provide the button view seed catalog, or if they want to go for another season. If they want to look for the seed catalog, so I'm going to connect this button with the same message where I'm providing the catalogs, and here it will continue the flow. And if they're going to go for another season, I'm going to connect it with the season message. Same I'm going to do with the autumn as well. The message is going to be autumn planning guide. Here we have the options for the plants, tip, and the downloadable PDF. Ready for the next step. Again, I'm going to apply two buttons over here. First is going to be to view the catalog, and the second is going to be to check for the other seasons. I'm going to again connect this button with the catalog message. It is going to follow the flow further. And if they want to go for other seasons, so I'm going to connect this with the main message where I'm providing the seasons. So my flow is ready. Now I'm going to quickly save it. Keep saving the flow as you're moving forward to make it updated and keeping it safe. As the flow is ready, now I'm going to take you towards WhatsApp, and we will check whether the flow that we have created is properly working or not. So here I have opened WhatsApp, and this is the WhatsApp number of my business. When I'm going to send a random message as a customer over here, hi, send the catalog. So you can see we are receiving the messages. That means the bot is actually working fine. And in this way, you can also very easily create this amazing WhatsApp chatbot for your business for sharing seasonal planting tips to your customers. I hope this WhatsApp chatbot is clear to you. Also, it is helpful for your business. Thank you for watching. Not only this chatbot, but you can create multiple such amazing WhatsApp chatbots for your business with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. Now, if you want to connect us, you can mail us at support@pabbly.com. For any of your query, you can reach us at forum.pabbly.com, and for any pricing related issue, you can visit the website given over here. Do you know you can try Pabbly Chatflow for 100% free? So try it now today. Thank you for watching.